Okay, on June the 9th, Wednesday, we start painting in my room and doing the floors. So the next clip, y'all gonna see me painting the walls and doing the floors. I didn't do my regular intro because we start a while away. So I just don't want y'all to be a little confused, you know. So anyway, I just hope that y'all enjoy this transformation.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
There's nothing he can Y'all see the room is slightly different. The walls is like pinkish white. No, I mean purple. Purple, whitish. And I got wooden floors. Look at this. Okay, so this right here. I know I have my table right here and my collage. I am going to change up my collage. Going to have something a little different. Let's spice things up. My desk still going to be right here for sure. My closet, I'm just going to straighten it out, clean it out. This is all the stuff they would put up here for. We could have room to, you know, paint the room and do the floor. So we just put it in here. But I didn't take it out, you know. Yeah, this is how the closet look like now. I'm not going to do too crazy to the closet. I'm just going to redo it. Y'all see the butterflies on here on top of my closet? I might go put a butterfly on the side, on the corner right here, on the top right here. Just look cute, you know. Then I got this bigger space above my bed. I know I'm going to do right here, which I'm going to tell y'all about later in this video. I'll tell y'all that later. And I got this another one right here too, which I might go put like a Pinterest all on this, and over here too. I still think that I'll be doing to my walls. So y'all can see me cleaning up my closet. I might do like a spin, and doing nothing. To my closet. That's what I'll do. Kind of open things out, clean it out. You know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? I can't wait to show y'all the rest of this extreme tour makeover. I got some ideas for what I'm doing in my room. You know, I can't wait. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all that later. I might talk to you around doing my closet when I'm doing it, you know. Okay, so in this clip, y'all see me with a pillow and different colors of fabrics. Yes, different colors of fabrics. And it's silk too. So I will be making my own pillowcase. I saw it on Pinterest, got me inspired. Plus I have always wanted a silk pillowcase. So yeah, I'm gonna make my own pillowcase. Oh yeah, and go subscribe to my girl Gabby. Yeah.
Know that I'm not dirty. Let me show you kiss, cock, kiss,